Samsung is back at it again, and this time, it's not just another foldable. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be one of the most confusingly exciting devices of the year. We're talking about thinner designs, S Pen drama, pricing plot twist, and yes, maybe even the death of the under-display camera. Buckle up, because in the next 5 minutes, we're diving deep into everything you need to know before this device officially drops. This isn't just a phone, it's a tech soap opera, and we've got all the juicy details. Let's start with the most obvious change: the design. Samsung's clearly been chasing that ultra-thin, ultra-premium foldable dream, and they're getting close. The Z Fold 7 is reportedly slimmer than ever, possibly the thinnest fold to date. Sounds good, right? Well, there's a catch: a thinner design usually means less room inside, and that means a smaller battery. Compared to rivals like the Pixel Fold or Honor Magic V2, Samsung might be falling a little behind in the endurance department. Now, let's talk S Pen, the feature everyone either desperately wants or couldn't care less about. According to new leaks, Z Fold 7 will kind of support the S Pen. Yeah, that's right, kind of. Apparently, S Pen cases made for the Z Fold 6 also fit the Fold 7, which sparked rumors of compatibility. The S Pen in question is lightweight, has no built-in battery, and doesn't need to be charged huge, plus, especially for artists or note takers. But here's where it gets spicy. Samsung supposedly added pen support without including a digitizer under the display. That's like saying you can drive a car without an engine. Technically possible. But how? Well, it turns out the new S Pen tech has been tweaked, and yes, there might be a little latency compared to the older Fold Edition pens. However, here's the plot twist. Some internal sources claim the exact opposite, that there's absolutely no S Pen support on the Z Fold 7. Now we're left with two possibilities: either Samsung pulled off some new kind of limited magic, pen compatibility, or the early leaks were just wishful thinking. At this point, we're either getting a partial S Pen experience or none at all. Classic Samsung, keep us guessing till launch day. Let's move on to pricing, and thankfully, it's good news for a change. Initial rumors hinted at a price increase, especially in Europe, but now, a more credible source has shut that down. Looks like the Z Fold 7 will stick to the same price tag as the Z Fold 6. That's around $1,800 in the US. And get this, the Z Flip 7 might even be cheaper than the Flip 6. When does anything get cheaper anymore? That's a first. On to design and color options. Reliable leaker Evan Blasa, the Leak King, just dropped what appear to be official renders of the Z Fold 7. We're looking at two shades: jet black shadow and silver shadow, pretty much in line with last year, but they look more refined this time. Also, the camera layout has been cleaned up, it's sleeker, more aligned, and just neater. And yes, that thinner profile, definitely a win for pocket space. Now, remember the under-display camera Samsung's been experimenting with since the Z Fold 3. It never really worked out. The results were, let's just say, not Instagram worthy. This time, Samsung might be cutting its losses. Leaks suggest the UDC is gone, completely removed. No more peekaboo selfie cam hidden under the screen. Some call it a downgrade. Others see it as a smart move for display clarity. Honestly, it's probably both. Better a hole punch camera than a fuzzy mess under pixels. So, where does that leave us? The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be one of the most intriguing and mysterious foldables we've ever seen. It's thinner, possibly pen-friendly or not cleaner in design, and might finally ditch features that were more gimmick than game-changer. It's a device full of potential and full of surprises. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the S Pen is still coming, or is it game over for stylus fans? Also, check out our next video right here on the end screen for a closer look at the Z Flip 7 updates. You won't want to miss it. Until next time, stay curious and take care.